This was the old Cameron Brewery site, still in use, not as a brewery. Lovely countryside, folks. Just memories to those that have fallen in the Great War. Well, I should say wars. And the benches. Memoriam. There's the poppies. Beautiful benches. Yeah, this is a local church. Currently getting plan permission to do the path again in structural repairs. Yeah. Hey, where do you want to see me shadow? Hello. I'm sorry it's not Tezza. It's me. Ah, Tezza. Yeah, I'm doing this video for, it's the first time I've done this sort of thing. Yeah, this is the area where I live. Such beautiful countryside. A big shout out for my subscribers there, like Gaza, Jules. Smurf, Lindy, Hannah, how you all doing? Vicky. Hi Vicky. We still need structural repairs. Marky G. Huh? You owe me a cup of tea. Well, 6 actually. Yeah. 6. Yeah, a big shout out to all my subscribers as well. I can't remember who else. Ron, I think Ron's Ron. Ian? Alright, Ian, yeah. Ian's me old mucker there. This is brilliant, isn't it? Huh? Lovely. If you like graveyards, of course. A lot of people do. These are the gates to the castle. Yeah, these got stolen. They got stolen and they were recovered. Yeah, be heavy them, like. Take some shifting. Yeah, this is the road up to the Dean and the castle and the golf course, of course. Yeah. Yeah. This is where some of the footballers live. They have apartments being made in the castle. I have a friend here called Richard Ord. He lives there. And one that should not be named, who used to play for Sunderland. I don't know if he still lives there or not, but yeah. Sunderland fans will know. So peaceful. There. Moo! Hey, you've got cows. Hello, cows. Why am I talking to cows? Silly man. Hello. How do you get cows to come to you? Do you whistle at them like a dog? How are you? How are you, Mary? Oh, of course, Mary. Well, it's a cow's name, isn't it? I don't know. Would you like to live here? Certainly very pretty. It looks like we're approaching the golf course. Of course. Just awaiting Trump's helicopter to fly in. Nah, not going to happen, is it? Well, I hope not anyway. I hope we've got a couple of golfers on the course. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, very nice. Oh, we'll be able to see at the castle soon. I used to know the person who owned these. He was a lord, but he no longer owns them. I was always up here, always. My brother-in-law even worked here as he's a landscaper. He did all these gardens up here in the castle. There, look at that, magnificent. Magnificent. There's the apartments, there's a couple of cars outside. One's just went in. Turn the camera off in respect. I know who it is. For his privacy. Yeah. We're going the Dean now. It's all uphill there, isn't it? It's all downhill there in Gannon, though. Of course, Murph, if you'll watch it, I have me bottle of water. Not sponsored by Gilbeck, by the way. Yeah, didn't forget me water. I remember last time what happened. Oh, that was terrible, yeah. Look at that, yeah, man-made. Is it man-made? It's all ruts, isn't it? Yeah. Can't see the wood for trees, can you? Huh? Can't see the wood for trees. Oh well. Onwards and upwards, well, onwards and downwards. Don't think I've got enough storage for all this. I'll keep stopping and starting. I need water. Can you hear water? It's down there. There it is. Can you hear the sound of water? Careful not to slip down here, like. I'll end up in the water. Unexpected bath, you know. Soon I'll have to wrap up part one of this video. It's part one because I've left me a battery pack, my booster. It's in my bag. I've got to pick that up yet. Along with my gimbal. And I'm running out of storage as well, so I've got some videos to delete, but I don't need. Or I'll put them on my card. Yeah. Ooh. Buzzy bees or wasps or something on the boot. Anyway, like and subscribe, people. And if you want more content like this, let us know in the comments. Yeah. Catch you on the next one.